I'm just going to show my experience and how I use it every day. These are the items in my sink to be cleaned. So I will demonstrate how I place all the vessels inside the dishwasher. Pull both the trays out. We start with the tumblers and the cups which I use for making coffee, boiling milk. I'm just placing it just like that. I'm not cleaning anything. I'm just going to put it down now. Put it upside down. Vessels which you used for making rice, curries or sambar, see to that before putting it in the dishwasher, all the solid particles should be removed. This is a curd vessel. So we are supposed to use only the dishwashing tablets which are recommended. We cannot use any normal dishwashing liquids or anything. So this finished power ball supports all the companies like Bosch, Beko, LG, Siemens. So whatever dishwasher you're using, you're supposed to buy only this and use only this for washing. And this is the finished liquid. If you're using more glass items inside, it will give more shine to it. So today I'm going to use both for my washing. Place it here and close it. This is for pouring the liquid. Inside, like about a spoon. That's all. Close it. Now close the dishwasher. First switch it on. It shows the basic one, and there are many modes like WOK, which washes in 70-degree, auto it chooses between 45 and 65, and also eco. So eco is the default one. Eco takes more time, like 3 hours to wash. What I follow is I put in wok 2 hours 40 minutes, and then I choose vario speed so that it is more quicker, and then I switch it on. So it takes 1 hour 35 minutes for my vessels to be washed. I missed putting 2-3 items in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch it off and then put the item inside. And then switch it on. So it will continue from the place where it stopped. This is done. Let us open and check how the output has come. So this will be very hot, so be careful when you touch it. This was the curd vessel which we used. See, we just put it without washing it. Now it has come out very well, the curd vessel. This is the chili powder mixer jar. See, everything is so clean and shiny. Look at all the spoons. And the coffee tumblers. The milk boiled vessel. Everything is shiny. Thanks for watching the video.